Hello guys, welcome to Unreal Engine. Today we will learn how to retarget Maximo animation to our Daz character. You can see here we are perfectly retarget the Maximo animation to our Daz character, and this is too easy tutorial. We don't need to use any plugins or don't need to use Daz to Maximo retargeter. We just use the simple work of our Unreal Engine project. So let's begin the class. First of all, we have to head back our Daz. We are exporting this character to our Unreal Engine project. So we are go to File, send to Daz to Unreal, rename it. I rename it just Candy, and select the skeleton mesh and morph. I select some morph here. If you don't know how to export correctly a Daz character in your Unreal Engine project, please watch my previous video. And here we just select accept. It will take some time. First step, we are exporting our Daz character. If you already have a Daz character in your Unreal Engine, you doesn't need it. Just follow the next step of Maximo step. Okay, our export is done. Now head back to our Unreal Engine project. Okay, and I am already export some Daz characters, so I just reference a Genesis 9 character here. Otherwise, you can just make this blank. I'm just import all, and it also takes some time for importing the FBX. So this is our first step. Here you can see I have 3 character. Previously I imported some dash model. If you have some, you just import. You don't follow to import any new character here. So you can see our character is imported now, and it is so good. You can see the character. You can make your custom character in Daz and you can use it. And now the second step is for Maximo. So we are head back to our Chrome and go to the maximo.com. If you have any account, just create an account, and for the character you just search Xbot. Okay, I'm select here the Xbox character here. Okay, and first step, we are just exporting this character to our Unreal Engine. So just go to download here and select FBX binary FBX and just download it. Okay, here we are download our character. You can see, just go back, and here you can see we are download our character Xbox, and just head back to your Unreal Engine project. Just go to your content browser and make a new folder, rename it Maximo. Okay, it's easy for finding the animation to export everything in a separate folder. Okay, so we open this folder and go here. We just drag our character here, and here you just make the whole thing is same, and here is the option you need to find. Okay, here is the option, use TF post as a reference. Just make through this, other functions keep default, and we just import it. Okay, so here you can see we are exporting our character. This is our character, and here also we make a folder folder, we name it anim. Okay, name it anim. And this is our skeleton mesh. We open the folder and export some maximo animation. Here we are select the character, go to the animation, and we are just search idle pose. And here you can see we have some idle pose here. For a female character, I prefer this idle pose is good, or this. Okay, I'm select this pose here. You can see this is a good pose, and go to download. And now we are just for the skin, we are export it without skin. Okay, make the same, all things same, and we are just download it. Okay, after downloading the animation, here is our animation idle. We are just open our project. Here is the anim folder of maximo. We are just drag the idle pose here, and we are select here the skeleton. We select our maximo T pose character. Here you can see Xbox skeleton, and we are just import it. Okay, dismissed. And you can see our animation is come good condition. It's so good. Now the challenge is we are retargeting it to our desk model. Okay, some people use some plugin, use some retargeter. We don't use anything. We are make it clear and easy. For this, first we are just make another folder here. We rename it anim. Okay, and go back to our maximo anim, and here right click and select retarget animation. And here the main things, we have to retarget first the mannequin, Unreal Engine default mannequin. Okay, I prefer this mannequin, SMKUEFN mannequin. This mannequin is good for retargeting. Trust me, other mannequins have some issue, but this mannequin is good for retargeting the maximo animation, also the dash animation. So we select this, and here we have our idle animation. You can see it's work fine. So we are just export this animation to our new created animation folder and make a suffix, just make a underscore and export it. Okay, so you can now see this is exporting well. For now we can directly retarget the animation to our dash animation. We have to do a process here. We are go head back to dash to Unreal and go to our candy character, and here the skeleton mesh of our candy character, we just right click here, and here we create a IK retargeter. Okay, and search the file of our, search the name of our mannequin, I think this mannequin. And here you can see a retargeter is created, and you can see our mannequin is wrong. I select the wrong mannequin here, I'm just press it. This mannequin is good for retargeting. And here default target IK rig, you need to select, sorry, our PC is lagging. Here a default function G9 IK retarget. If you don't see any kind of function of this, you just go to setting, and here you select all the thing, engine content, plugin content. Okay, so here we are just select G9 K retarget rig sign. You can see our character is gone now. Now we are select our candy character here, and here also we have an option first of the year of the animation and auto align. You just align all bone. You can look at the character is aligned properly. And now our IK retargeter is great. And head back to our anim folder, and here is our retarget and maximum retarget animation. We just select, right click, and go to retarget animation. We select our candy character, and here you can see a arrow here. We just auto generate retargeter off, make it false, and here we select our retarget we create. So for this we need to know the name of our retargeter. I'm just forget. Go to candy, and this is our retargeter. Okay, retargeter. Okay, so we just select here our candy retargeter, and we search the animation we retargeting idle to. Okay, you can see our animation is work properly, and here is the issue for leg. You can see there is a issue for leg because we are using the high heel of this character. Other animation is good. Okay, so for the solution of this, you can see here our character leg is not properly aligned to the mannequin. For this you have to go to target here and search foot. We are going to R foot, and here you just make your leg properly aligned to our mannequin leg. And for the R leg we make the same. Okay, nice. Now our character is properly aligned. If you face some arrow of your bone, you just select this bone and align the bone properly. Okay, so we just save it here, and now we are head back to our retargeter, and here you can see now our animation is work properly. We are just export it to our dash to Unreal, and we make a new folder, name it anim, and for the suffix we just use dash and export it. Okay, so now you can see our character fully retargeted the maximo animation. Our dash character now have maximo animation, and this is a easy process. You can see this is too much easy process. Our character is in now idle mode. Okay, too good. So this is a easy class, and in the next class I will show you how to create a custom animation blueprint of dash character with retargeting the maximo character animation. In this class we are learn how to retarget our maximo character animation to our dash character. Okay.